Hi everyone. My name is Zubair Khan. I am the founder of Spanish on You Official. Also your Spanish teacher. Today I am going to teach you how to introduce yourself in Spanish. Let's get started. The first word I am going to teach you is
Hola.
Means hello or hi. Please repeat.
Hola.
Once again.
Hola.
Very good. The second one is
Buenos, días.
means good morning. Please repeat.
Buenos días.
Once again.
Buenos días.
Very good. The third one is good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Please repeat.
Buenas tardes.
Once again.
Buenas tardes.
Very good. The next one is good night.
Buenas noches.
Please repeat.
Buenas noches.
Once again.
Buenas noches.
Let's have a quick review.
Hola. Buenos días. Buenas tardes. Buenas noches.
Very good. Now we are going to learn some new words. Let's have a look.
Mi nombre.
Very simple. Means my name. Please repeat.
Mi nombre.
Once again.
Mi nombre.
Very good. Let's see if you can guess the following sentence.
Mi nombre es Carlos.
Any guess? Exactly. It means my name is Carlos. Please repeat.
Mi nombre es Carlos.
Once again.
Mi nombre es Carlos.
Very good. Happy to see you learning. Please make sure to make some notes. There is one more way to tell the name, which is
Me llamo Carlos.
it means I am called or I call myself. I know it seems complicated, but in Spanish, this is the most common way to tell the name. Please repeat.
Me llamo Carlos.
Once again.
Me llamo Carlos.
Very good. Guys, you are amazing. Do remember, the verb to call has been conjugated in the previous sentence. Also, some upcoming verbs will be used in conjugated forms accordingly. But don't worry, we will learn that in future lessons. You may want to know how to ask someone to introduce him or herself as well. Don't worry. Here it is.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Literally means, what do you call yourself? Or, how are you called? As you already know, this is the informal way. Here I have the formal way as well.
¿Cómo se llama?
Very good. You probably thinking, how would you know what to use? Whether the formal way or the informal? Please allow me to make you aware about the same. For an example, friends and family members, or even your neighbors, whom you know, or you are familiar with, you can talk to them in an informal way. But if you are outside, or just talk to your boss, a stranger or a person you don't know well, it's always safe to use the formal way. Interesting, isn't it? Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also share this video. Here I have something more for you.
¿De dónde eres?
Means, where are you from? Informal.
¿De dónde es?
Where are you from? Formal. And the answer could be,
Soy de Alemania.
exactly this means, I am from Germany. Let me also tell you, in Spanish using subject is not mandatory until you want to specify the subject. Because in Spanish, verbs are always conjugated according to the subject. So we say,
Yo soy de Alemania.
or,
Soy de Alemania.
both are same. In Spanish, you can also simply ask someone, and you. For an example, I live in Spain. And you?
Vivo en España. ¿Y usted?
Means, I live in Spain. And you. Please repeat.
Vivo en España. ¿Y usted?
Did you notice? We learned one more sentence. That is, I live in Spain.
Vivo en España.
Very good. I can see that you are enjoying it. Let's proceed further. You next sentences.
Hablo inglés, español y alemán también.
So you know the meaning? Or any guess, guys? Okay, let me make it more easy and interesting. Do you know what these words are called in Spanish? The word English, Spanish, and also German. Exactly. You are right.
Inglés, español y alemán.
The sentence means I speak English, Spanish, and also German. Please repeat.
Hablo inglés, español y alemán también.
Once again.
Hablo inglés, español y alemán también.
You can also ask, how many languages do you speak? As,
¿Cuántos idiomas hablas?
and the formal way would be,
¿Cuántos idiomas habla?
exactly. How many languages do you speak? Very good. Let's review and practice by the following conversation.
Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola, muy buenas tardes. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Gracias. Me llamo Carlos Rodríguez, ¿y cómo te llamas tú?
De nada, me llamo Linda Martínez. ¿De dónde eres?
Soy de Alemania, pero vivo en España. ¿Y tú?
Qué bueno, soy de Estados Unidos pero vivo aquí, en España también.
Qué bien. ¿Cuántos idiomas hablas?
Hablo inglés y español, ¿y tú?
Hablo inglés, español y alemán también.
Muy interesante. Mucho gusto.
Gracias. Mucho gusto.
Did you see how interesting it was? I am really happy to see we succeeded. That's all for today's lesson. Watch this video a couple of times to master all we learned today. Thanks for watching the video. If you want person classes, then email me at zubair902con@gmail.com. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you like it. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is SpanishNUOfficial. Keep learning.